Once upon a melody-filled morning, deep in the enchanted forest, the Smurfs were waking up to a brand new day.
Good morning, Brainy. Did you hear the birds singing today?
Of course, Smurfette. The whole forest is humming with music.
Oops, I tripped over a mushroom again. Laughs.
Careful, clumsy. Every day is a new adventure in Smurf Village.
Welcome to Smurf Village. Let's begin our magical adventure.
Gather around, my little Smurfs. Long ago, a magical flute was hidden deep in this very forest. They say it can make anyone dance without stopping.
Whoa, did it really make everyone dance, Papa Smurf? Even Grouchy?
I heard it made even the grumpiest Smurf tap their toes.
Bah, sounds like a silly story to me. No flute could do that.
But what if it's real? What if I found it? I'd play the happiest tune ever.
The Smurfs giggled and imagined what they would do with such a magical flute. But little did Clumsy know. The legend was true. As Clumsy wandered off, he tripped into a bush and, uncovered an ancient glowing flute. Suddenly, a magical melody filled the air. Trees swayed and even the squirrels began to dance. Clumsy has found the magical flute. What should he do next? Should Clumsy A. Play the flute, B. Run to Papa Smurf, C. Hide it? He runs to Papa Smurf.
Gargamel whispering, Azrael, look! The magical flute. With this, I'll finally outsmart those pesky Smurfs. Are you ready, my clever cat?
Clumsy gasping, oh no, Gargamel's here, he's after the flute.
Gargamel cackling, the flute is mine, dance, little Smurfs, dance!
Gargamel plays the flute. The Smurfs start dancing uncontrollably, spinning and hopping in surprise.
Smurfette, laughing and spinning. I can't stop dancing, help!
Brainy quickly gathers the Smurfs. We need a plan. Only a counter melody can break the spell.
Let's help Brainy create the melody. Clap with the beat. Ready, everyone? Clap 4 times. Ready, go! Viewers clap as Brainy scribbles notes and the Smurfs cheer him on.
To complete the spell, we need the harmonica of harmony from Harmony Hill. Smurfs, are you ready for the next adventure?
We'll bring back the harmonica. Let's go, everyone.
Look at those twisty vines, I almost tripped. Again.
Careful, Clumsy. Smurfette, can you help him up?
Of course. We stick together, right, Smurfs?
Adventure music, hills, rivers, tunnels, playful forest creatures.
Halt. To pass, you must answer my riddle. I have keys but no locks. I can play but have no hands. What am I?
The Smurfs huddled together, thinking hard. Brainy whispered, is it a map? Smurfette shook her head. No, maps don't play music.
Suddenly, Clumsy piped up. What about a piano? It has keys and you can play it.
Choose the answer.
Correct. A piano. You're so clever, little Smurfs.
The Smurfs cheered and hugged each other, proud of their teamwork. They reach Harmony Hill, find the golden harmonica.
Quick, let's return to save our friends.
Gargamel cackling, the flute is mine, prepare to dance, silly Smurfs!
Smurfs, don't let Gargamel win. Let's show him our best moves.
Everyone, get ready for a magical dance-off.
I'm not scared, watch this, Gargamel.
The Smurfs and Gargamel face off. Let the music battle begin.
You can't out-dance me, Smurfs, my flute is unstoppable.
But the Smurfs play the harmonica and Brainy's melody. An upbeat, joyful tune fills the air.
Come on, everyone. Dance with us. Let's win together.
Dance with the Smurfs to help them win. Jump, spin, clap, let's go.
Look, Gargamel, even the squirrels are dancing.
No! My flute! Gargamel stumbles, his flute flies into the air and lands in the hands of a friendly squirrel who runs off.
And just like that, the forest was peaceful again. The flute was safe. And the Smurfs? They were ready to celebrate. The Smurfs gathered in the heart of the village, their faces beaming with joy. Confetti sparkled in the air as music played.
We did it, everyone. Thank you for helping us save the day.
That was the Smurfiest adventure ever! I couldn't have done it without you.
Remember, Smurfs, teamwork and kindness always win. Let's celebrate together.
The Smurfs danced, sang, and invited everyone to join their joyful song.
Sing along with us, it's a Smurfy day, hooray! Let's laugh, let's dance, let's play. With kindness, joy, and love so bright, we Smurf together day and night. Thanks for helping the Smurfs save the day. End credits with whimsical music, forest sounds, and Smurfy Day Hooray reprise.